The Presidential Anti-Organized Crime Commission, or PAOC, is targeting foreign nationals involved in POGO-related online scamming. Half of the over 40,000 foreign nationals involved have left voluntarily. In January, DILG Secretary Junvic Remulla issued a memorandum banning POGO operations and preventing the renewal of related business permits and licenses. Local governments must report small-scale POGO operations and conduct inspections. The PAOC is also investigating local officials involved or allow POGO operations.
Ito pong problema natin sa scamming na ang gumagawa po is
hacking.
Yung mga POGO, yung mga POGO operation na yan. Ang pinagmumulan po kasi niyan, Sir Mike, yung mga SIM card na pre-registered, na mga ang identities doon sa mga SIM cards po is mga fake po, ano? Kaya every time na nag-iimbestiga kami, laging blank wall, Sir Mike, pag fake yung tao, fake yung address. So, mahirap po yung investigasyon na ginagawa namin. So, ang target kasama po sa mga targets namin ngayon is yung mga gumagawa po ng mga pre-registered SIM cards na yan na ginagamit po sa panloloko.